Someone once told me that if you truly want to say that you visited a city, try to go to one of their highest points. Well, here today in Korea, we're checking out Seoul Tower. Hi, I'm Ryan Custodio, a former elementary and middle school teacher. After years of teaching and learning, I've realized that learning doesn't just have to be in the classroom. So I quit my job and left the United States to learn from others from all around the world, starting in South Korea. Welcome to my journey. Welcome to my classroom. Seoul Tower, Namsan Tower, the second largest point here in Seoul. We're gonna go up it, we're gonna check it out. Let's go. Have you been here?
Yep. Been here, but I've never got to do the padlock.
Alright, so Amanda's been wanting to do the padlock to solidify her love. We did not bring a padlock, unfortunately, but I think they sell some upstairs. So these older folks behind me decided to start walking backwards, get a different kind of workout. And it's no joke. I can actually feel in my quads now, giving my hamstrings a little bit of a rest. So kudos to them for finding a different way to work your legs. This is super steep, by the way. Check out this view. We're not even inside the tower yet. Let me flip this around for you. Look at that. So here's a fun fact. Namsan Tower was built in 1969 and it started out as the first radio wave tower in Korea.
Once you lock, it won't open.
Oh, it's done. It even says it on the box. Best way to end a time at Seoul Tower.
Melted ice cream.
Melted ice cream. Churros. How is it? Oh yeah. Cookies and cream, everything here with ice cream. What's your
favorite part about Namsan Tower?
My favorite thing about Namsan Tower? Two things. I'm probably stealing the ones that you like. I actually enjoyed the locket.
What did you like about the locket?
You're leaving a piece of your memories here, and in the future, if you decide that you want to come and visit, you can look for your locket. I know a lot of the lockets, they're rubbing off a little bit because of rain and just time in general, but if you know exactly where you put it, it's kind of cool to come back to it and be like, hey, I did that. We took a picture of it, so we know what we wrote on there. I think I took that from you. And also the view. What about you?
Toilet.
Oh, that was a surprise.
Yeah.
What did you like about the toilets?
I mean, that is the best view you're ever gonna get in a toilet.
That's true. I think I was blown away. I wasn't talking about using the restroom blown away, but I was blown away by the architecture. And only two other places have done that for me. And that's Harry Potter World and Tokyo Disney Sea. Third on the list, Namsan Tower restroom.
Very close third. Well, I really enjoyed this, babe.
Yeah, me too.
A big lesson that we got from visiting Seoul Tower was that you gotta just stop, take it all in, turn off your phones, and appreciate the world around you. There's beauty everywhere, from what humans have created to these amazing buildings and technology to all that is already laid out for us before we even showed up. So take a beat, take a moment, enjoy what's around you on this earth, in Seoul, wherever you are, and be grateful. Till next time, I'll see ya.